Kevin writes in from Denver. He goes, hey, Andy, Joe, and Big Al. After the beating I took from Joe on my last question in podcast 290, it's taken me a year of therapy and a lot of barrel-aged stouts to seek your insights on another topic.
You must have been pretty tough on Kevin, huh?
Come on, Kev. We're boys.
It's all in good fun.
I don't remember beating up on Kevin. He probably gave us, one piece of information and asked for, answers on 5.
Could be.
Barrel aged stouts.
Yeah. You like stouts?
Not really.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
I don't know.
I do like Guinness.
No. Okay, so let's see what Kevin's got here. What is your take on I-bonds in the cash portion of a portfolio? What is the downside beyond the purchase limits and penalties for early withdrawal? With the recent rate increase, it seems like a better alternative than what can be earned in a high-interest savings CD account. Historically, I've held $100,000 in a CD ladder, but with my higher rate CDs all maturing over the past year, I'm trying to find a low-risk alternative that can earn at least a little bit more interest. Big Al, what's your take on I-bonds?
I knew you'd ask me that. That's for you. That's an investment question.
I-bonds, double E-bonds. I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's a treasury bond. Go for it. I mean, if you're going to get a little bit, they're offering a little bit better rate. There's some liquidity issues there, but it sounds like it's a cash reserve. And if emergency fund, if you really need to get at the money, I would imagine you would cash out your CDs early and pay the penalty there, or not necessarily a penalty, or discount your interest.
Yeah.
I-bonds are somewhat similar.
Well, and that's a good point about CDs, because people are so nervous about the prepayment penalty, and all that is receiving less interest.
Yeah.
That's how it's calculated.
Sure. So, yeah, I mean, I like I-bonds. It's not like I would recommend them, but if that's something that you want to do, Kevin, I think that's...
Yeah, I mean, the thing about any bonds, you have a chance for a higher rate of return than a CD, for sure. There is a little bit of potential for volatility, because the bonds can go up and down in value if you don't hold them to maturity. So, just be aware of that.
Okay.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.